Oh. I don't know if you can see the smile on my face, but I'm having so much fun. I've really needed this. What's up guys, welcome to the first episode of Drive With Me, which is basically going to be me and the C43, the performance exhaust, and tons of fun. We've got two GoPros here. We've got the one that's going to show you where I'm going, the GoPro here of me, and in the first episode, this is my first official fun, proper drive since lockdown. So we're going to have tons of fun, but first we need to do a cold start. So to get the best cold start, what you want to do is have your foot off the pedal and then hit the start button once. What that will do is turn on the ignition here, get the nice Mercedes logo. And as you can see here, then we flip it down into Sport Plus. Then we can start the car. But let's set the camera outside the car so you can really hear it. Oh, it feels so nice to be back behind the wheel. Just wait until we hit those fun roads. It's not the greatest of days. I mean, I suppose it's a bit sunny now, but it was very wet last night. So the roads are wet, the roads are damp, which means we're going to be testing the C43's all-wheel drive grip a little bit more than usual, but I'm happy with that. Probably not the greatest idea to do the first drive back, the first exciting drive back in the rain, but you know, let's hardcore it. Out of the junction we go. So before we open it up, let's just briefly talk about the new series which you're watching now. This is the Drive With Me. You guys seem to really enjoy my POV drive videos, my exhaust videos, and I thought it'd be quite nice to do a little series where we just take the car out. It's just me, two GoPros. You've got the angle facing forward so you can see where I'm going, and you've got the full overview of the interior of the car. We basically just go for a drive. We don't know where we're going, we get lost. If we find a cool location, we pull over and we take some cool B-roll videos of the car with a little montage. It's going to be a fun little series, and really you're just joining me, two GoPros, the C43, and we don't know where we're going. We're just driving for fun. Cruising through the town in comfort mode. Do you guys ever have your exhaust button turned off? I don't. I always have mine turned on. It's like the push start button. I push the engine button to turn the car on. I push the exhaust button on. I just love the note and the sound of it. All right, guys, this is what you're here for. Sport Plus. Let's open it up. Let's see if we can scare this person. Oh, damn! I have not done that in so long. God, it sounds so good. It's almost like it sounds better. Maybe it's because, I mean, I haven't heard it for so long that it just sounds better. It sounds better than it did in my head. And that is saying something. Round, round. Handling is spot on. I mean, the roads are really, really damp from total rain last night. Oh dear. We've got a car in front of us now, a few cars, but that's okay because we can go into manual mode. So we're in 5th gear now, 4th gear. Oh! I don't know if you can see the smile on my face, but I'm having so much fun. I've really needed this. Having a car like this just sat on your driveway, not driving it regularly is depressing, and even the rain can't let me down right now. Let's be really naughty and let's just shift into second. Oh! Sorry, runner. Wow. Oh, the pops and bangs are so on point. Okay, calm down. See, this is the thing. We've got two cars going pretty slow in front of us, and we're still laughing back here, having fun, going half the speed limit. Right, this is kind of my usual route right now. Let's go down here and see what we can find. Ooh, that's a tight one. Don't know about you guys, but I always get nervous going around bends like that because I really don't want to curb my alloy wheels. I'm probably like 10 meters away from the curb, but anyone with diamond cut wheels will understand they are a pain in the ass to fix. All right, we're still in manual. Let's go back into automatic mode now, just for a bit. We'll try manual later. Oh, look at this road. That is a cool road. It goes down and then up. You probably recognise this road if you've seen my pole drive. I always come up here because it's fun, but it's really nice to be back here again. But we're going to explore further this time. It's actually quite nice, the sun's come out. So even in automatic mode, you can just kind of suddenly press the throttle down full and it will just drop the gears instantly and you get that boom, as you heard there. Which was better, mine or the car's? Oh good, he's turning in here, so he's going to the Woburn Safari to see the animals. Which means, oh, we better be careful actually, because let's get a smiley face. Yay, smiley face. And even the Aston Martin got a smiley face. See, I do drive to the speed limits. I do get smiley faces. Quite a few cars on the road. It's pretty early, guys. It's 8 o'clock right now. I wanted to get out earlier, but I just wanted to do some books with my daughter this morning, so we had a bit of fun there. Anyhow, roundabouts, the UK's friend. Got the sun in my eyes. Right, we're definitely going down there, because that looks like a crazy road. Let's check this one out. Oh yes, look at this road. Come on. Wow. We're hammering it down a crazy road. It's wet, but I just feel so in control and I trust this car. I trust the tyres. We're running Michelin Pilot Sport 4s. And just the four-wheel drive system. Hey ho. Right, let's see what's down here then, because we've not really been down here. Hello, cyclist. Got some roadworks down here, that's for sure. How do you get out of your driveway if you live down here? Speed bump, or barrier, as I like to call them. What do you guys think of speed bumps? Do you have speed bumps in your country? Here in the UK, they're everywhere. That was the nod from the Porsche driver. Probably just because I slowed down and let him through, but you know. Yeah, we have these speed bumps. I mean, these ones aren't bad, but some of them are just barriers. They're ridiculous. Post in the comments and let me know what you guys have, because I know I've got viewers from all around the world. Oh, last speed bump, hopefully. Right, guys, I'm pretty sure that after this village, or whatever you want to call it, is going to be an awesome road, so we're going to open it up. Oh, that's a nice house. Please subscribe to my channel so I can buy that house. Right, here we go. This is looking nice. We've got the number plate camera up there. Oh, there's some bumps. Let's just get through these first. Right, 3, 2, 1. Oh shit. Tight bend. No, it's not too tight. Relatively. Whoa! Tree in the road. Whoa, shit, there's a roundabout here. Or a junction. See, this is where you don't know when you're going, where you're going. This is a nice... So yeah, so we really got a good test of the brakes there in the wet surface, because we did some bad driving. We didn't quite realise there was a junction coming up. Let's put the sat nav on so we can see that. Right, we probably need to go back on ourselves here. Yeah, we're definitely lost. It's okay though, because we got the sat nav. So we've already used quite a lot of petrol, guys, I'm not going to lie. I did fill the car up. I've been keeping the car filled up because you should really keep your tank full up when you're not running your car to prevent condensation building up. Oh, here we go, here's a roundabout. Maybe we can come back on ourselves now. I'm pretty sure we can. Good old roundabouts. We love them and hate them here in the UK. Handy for situations like this. Annoying for everything else. See, I just let go of the throttle there. Oh, pop, pop, pop. Right, I think we need to turn back in here. Where was it? Wasn't there? We might have to put the sat nav on if we get lost. That's what this is all about, guys. Just driving, no purpose other than just pure fun. You know, the car is choosing where to go. So we're going to go into that Ridge Mountain place, I believe. Here we go. This is where we came from, I'm pretty sure. This is the corner that I bombed it down for stupidly. See now coming back, it was pretty silly, guys, but the excitement of just driving this car for the first time properly in months, I'm going to say, it just kind of got the better of me there. Alright, let's find a cool spot and take some pictures of the car. Woohoo! I missed you, C43, I missed you, Sport Plus, and I missed you, Exhaust. But we need to find a cool spot. Plenty of cool spots down here, I think. Okay guys, so we've just pulled over here because this is the spot, this is the road. This is that awesome road we just drove down, and I just wanted to stop here now and just do a cool, badass montage of the car, so hit the music. So there we have it, guys. That's the first official drive with me video. I hope you enjoyed it. It's a new series we're going to be trying out on the channel here. This was really just my sort of testing the waters, see if I can make a fun driving, drive with me video. And also, first drive of the C43 in Sport Plus mode after lockdown. It was always going to be good fun. I did this video for you guys, but I also did it for me. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, then please hit that thumbs up because it always helps me in the channel out. And if you want to see more great content on this car and just go for drives with me, then hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys next time.